Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, children, we have completed chapter 3, and in chapter 3, we have discussed the number name, expanded form, then ascending order, comparing numbers, forming greatest and smallest numbers. Okay. Now we are going to start one new chapter, that is chapter 4, addition. And I hope all the children know how to add. We are learning this from, I think, KG section. And in class 3, we know we have studied how to add 4-digit numbers. Okay, 4-digit numbers. So here in class 4, we are going to add 5-digit numbers. This 5-digit number addition is same as 4-digit addition. Okay, 4-digit addition, 3-digit addition, all it's same. The procedure is same. So how we will start adding the 5-digit numbers? First, what you have to do? We have to place the number one below the other according to the places. Line up. Okay, we have to write the number properly. One number up, one number below. Understood? So that is the first thing we have to do. Then what do you have to do? We have to add from ones digit. You know how to add, no? We always start addition or subtraction from ones digit. Okay. And from ones digit, if we are starting addition, now next what we have to be careful, we have to know that if the number, if the addition, that sum is more than 9, you have to regroup to the next place. Okay, regroup. If ones digit, when we add, if it is more than 9, what you have to do? You have to take that to tens place. And tens place, if we add, if it is more than 9, what you have to do? You have to take that to 100 place. And if it is 100 place is more than, what you have to do? 1000 place. And if 1000 place is more than 9, what you have to do? Take to 10,000 place. Okay, children. So first what you have to do? You have to write one number up, one number below, line up properly. Then start adding from ones place. Then if that is carryover is there or more than 9, we have to regroup. Okay, so these are the things you have to be careful when doing addition. Okay, so children, we will start with one example. Okay, Mivel, can you hear me? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, you can see the board. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So all the children, what we are going to do? We are going to add 5-digit number. Okay, today we are doing only addition. Addition of 5-digit numbers. Chapter 4, addition and subtraction. In that, what we are going to do is adding 5-digit numbers. So children, what you have to do? First thing, you have to line up one's place. Like each number, you have to write one number below the other. First thing, you have to line up the numbers. Okay, you are not going to write anything now, children. Please keep your pen or pencil down and listen properly. You know, I think all the children, you know how to add, but only some mistakes, careless mistakes will happen. So I want all the children first listen. What do you have to do first? Line up properly. Like we have ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. According to these plays, you have to line up properly. Okay, that is the first step. And we will start adding or we will start addition from ones place. Okay, so children, we will start here adding from the ones digit. Okay, Delna, can you please unmute? Delna? Delna, can you hear me? I think there is, yes, can you hear me? Delna? I think there is network problem. Angelo, can you please unmute? Angelo? Angelo, which place we had to start addition? Which place you have to start? Ones place. So can we do together? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. So here I'll take a different color here. Okay. So Angela, we are going to add together 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? Keep 8 and take 5 in your finger. Then after 8, 5 more numbers. 8 plus 5. Where's Angelo? Len, can we do together? Len, please unmute.
13.
13. So children, we have 13. From here, we will write here these 3, that is 1's digit, and this one we will carry over to the 10th place. Okay. 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
2 plus 9.
11.
11. So 2 plus 9, we have 11. We will write here only 1, and this one carry over to the 100 place. Okay. 1 plus 4.
5.
5. And here 8 plus 0.
8.
8. 4 plus 2. 6. Okay. So children, what we are starting our addition from 1's place. And if there is carry over, that means if it is more than 9, you have to carry to the next place. And who is Krishnesh? Can you read this number answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Read this answer. Number name.
68,000.
Very good. 68,000. 513. Yes, 68,513. Okay. Okay. 68,513. So children, is there any doubt in addition of 5-digit numbers?
No, ma'am.
Doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. So children, what you have to do? First, you have to line up the number properly. One number up, one number below. Then start adding from the 1's digit. 1's digit. Then if it is carry over, you have to carry to the next places. Okay, children, is that clear? Is that clear? So we will do one more question. Okay. One more question we are going to do now. So Arav, please unmute Arav. We'll start from 1's place, 1's, 10's, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. We will. Yes, Arav, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start from 1's place. Okay. Can we start? 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3?
10.
10. So we will, for this 10, we will write 0 here and this one carry over. Okay. 1 plus 8?
9.
9 plus 4? 9 plus 4? 9 plus 4? 13. Okay, 3 here, 1 carry over. Okay. Akshaj, can you please unmute Akshaj? Akshaj, please unmute Akshaj.
Ma'am.
Yes, Akshit. Akshaj, okay. Can we add from here? 1 plus 3. Look at the board. We'll do together. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3?
7.
7. Very good. Okay. 7 plus 1?
8.
8. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Then last one. 5 plus 3?
8.
8. Okay, very good. So 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry over, 1 plus 8, 9, plus 4, 13, 1 carry over, 1 plus 3, 4, plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 3, 8. Akshaj, can you read this number name? This number name? 88,000.
88,700
And
and
what is this number?
30.
30. Very good. 88,730. Okay. 88,730. Okay, children.
30.
So you know how to add numbers. Even if it is 4-digit, 5-digit like this. Even if it is for 6-digit also, we can do the same, but we are not going to do 6-digit. So I will give you 2 questions. Can you take out your rough book, all of you? Rough book? Aiden, can you please unmute and tell me, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all the children, I'm going to give you 2 questions. That is 5-digit. Okay. Here 3, 4, 9, 3, 6. 3, 4, 9, 3, 6 plus 1, 2, 8, 7, 6. Can you see the board? 3, 4, 9, 3, 6 plus 1, 2, 8, 7, 6. Who is calling? Who is calling? Tony, can you see the board? Can you see the board? Sahal? Sahal, can you see the board?
Yes.
Are you doing? Take out the rough book and find the sum.
Okay.
Okay, children, do and tell me the answer first. We will write the answer on the board, then check yourself. Okay. Yes, children?
My God.
Let me see how many are started writing. Finished?
Ma'am.
I will share the screen one more time. Let me see all are doing. Okay. Manish, please unmute Manish. Okay, we are going to do that questions. Okay. Now we are 6 plus 6. We will start from 1's place. Then 10's hand. First we are writing this place values. Okay. And okay. Yes, Manish. 6 plus 6.
12.
12. We will write here 2, then 1 carry over. Okay. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3.
11.
You are adding and tell me. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11. Okay, 1. Then carry over here. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 10 plus 8. I'm not able to hear. Okay, Tony, can you please unmute Tonio? One minute, let me see. One minute. Yes, Tonio.
Ma'am.
9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Tanya.
Huh?
Tanya. Ma'am, I can see the board.
Mewell, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Who cannot see the board?
I cannot see the board. Ma'am, I can see the board. I can. Ma'am, even I can see the board.
Evangel. Okay. So children, I will share one more time. Now all of you please mute. Only Tonio is saying the answer. Okay. Only Tonio. Yes, Tonio, complete that one. Okay. 6 plus 6, 12 plus carry over, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 carry over. Okay. 1 plus 9,
10.
10 plus 8. Huh?
80.
18. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4.
7. 7.
5 plus 2, 7. You are doing fast. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4.
4.
Okay. Now, who can read this number? Can you read this number name? 47? 612. Okay, very good. 47,812. Okay, children, and I want all the children, you have to practice the doubles. Okay, then only you will get the speed. How we will practice the doubles? You will start like 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 7, 14. Who is talking here? Len, please unmute and tell me these doubles.
1 plus 1.
Can we do that doubles faster? 2 plus 2,
4.
4. 3 plus 3,
6.
4 plus 4,
8.
5 plus 5,
10.
10. 6 plus 6,
12.
12. 7 plus 7,
8. 18.
7 plus 7, 14.
14.
Okay. 8 plus 8,
16.
16. 9 plus 9,
18.
18. So children, what you have to do, you have to practice this, then you can do without taking your finger like your class 1, 3 in the mind, 4 in the hand. No need to take like that. You can do fast mental addition. Also, you can pair the numbers like 5 plus 5, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. You can take like that pairs. Okay, so it will help you to do the questions faster. Okay, children, one more question. Can you take your rough book? So, children, did you get correct answer for this? Please check your answer. All the children, please check whether you got this answer. 47,812. Can you show me a thumbs up, children? Who got correct answer? How many got correct answer? Yes? Okay. So, I think all of you can do this addition faster. If you use the doubles and make the pairs with 10, then you can make your calculations faster. Okay, children, please take one more question. Okay, now here we'll take another color. 7, 4, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 9. So children, here all the children please check where I have given like this pair. 1 plus 9 makes 10, 8 plus 2 makes 10. Like that you have to use Mendel addition. Okay, children. So we'll start from ones place. So you children, you can practice that place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So first thing you have to line up the numbers one below the other according to the places. Then start adding from ones digit. Finished. Okay, Aiden, please unmute Aiden. All the children, Aiden is going to help me to add. All the children, what you have to do, you have to check whether you got correct answer. Okay, Aiden. 1 plus 9?
10.
10. So we'll keep here 0, then 1 carry over. 1 plus 8?
1 plus 8. 9.
9 plus 2?
11.
11. 1 here, 1 carry over. Okay, 1 plus 3?
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
8. 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3?
7.
7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 plus 2? 9. Okay, so 97810. Check whether you got correct answer. Nia, can you read this answer? Can you read the number name? Read the number name for this answer. Yes, Nia. Read.
97,000.
97,000.
97,810.
Very good. 97,810. So children, is that clear? 5-digit addition?
Yes.
Any doubt? You want to ask something,
No, ma'am.
children? So first what you have to do, you have to line up the numbers. Then what you have to do, you have to start addition from ones place. Then carry over, you have to regroup properly. Okay, children. So, can you take your workbook? And I will tell you which are the questions you will do as homework. Workbook. Chapter 4. We are going to do only addition problems. From there we have addition and subtraction problems, but we will take.
Ma'am, not clear.
Not clear. Page number what?
Ma'am, not clear.
For who? It's not clear.
Ma'am.
Who cannot hear me properly?
Nia. Yeah.
Nia. How is it now? How is it now? Okay? Okay, children, please take out your math workbook, page number 33. Page number 33. Yes, Adan. Yes. Only mark the question which is addition. Okay, question number 1. Tick. Question number 1, tick. Then question number 3. Then question number 5. 1, 3, and 5. Question number 1, 3, and 5. You have to add these 5-digit numbers. 1, 3, and 5. Okay, children? Yes? Page number? Which one? Page number? Let me see. What is the page number? 33. 135. Question number 135. Okay, children. You can do that as homework. So, children, what we have done today, it's a 5-digit addition. Addition with 5-digit numbers. And you know how to add. You have to first line up properly. And I told you all the children, you have to practice these doubles or making pair with the 10. That will increase your speed of calculations. And that question number 1, 3, and 5 from your workbook, chapter 4 addition, that is homework. Okay, children, bye. Bye. Any doubt?
No.
No?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.